Willie Revillame, the TV host and senatorial aspirant, visited former Vice President Leni Robredo to give his donation to the affected residents of severe tropical storm Christine. Revillame gave 3 million pesos to Robredo, who is going to run for Naga mayor in next year's elections. He said he will also visit other affected areas to give his donation. During their meeting, Robredo thanked Revillame and highlighted the importance of transparency when it comes to receiving donations.
Papasend ko na lang yung receipt mo.
Kahit na wala, hindi ba?
Bawal yung sa amin eh.
Pero okay lang.
Kasi inaasal ko namin lahat.
Oh, ang daming kasi mga actually aside from Willie Revillame, we have ACT-CIS Party List Representative Erwin Tulfo na ilan lamang PAGCOR, no?
PAGCOR.
Ilan lamang yan sa mga nagbigay mismo sa Angat Buhay na NGO ni former Vice President Leni Robredo.
Pero
sinasabi, dagdag ko lang dyan, sinasabi ng mga netizen, nababasa ko lang naman ito ito hindi naman aking opinion, sinabi ng mga netizen, sa Angat Buhay na lang kaya kami magbayad ng tax. Yun ang
Pero
sabi
alam
ko.
mo, number one, this showcases the effectiveness of yung Angat Buhay Foundation.
Yeah.
Number two, sabi ng mga iba kasi, sana naman yung donations pwede nyo naman ibigay, di ba? Pwede nyo ilagay kung saan galing. Pero makikita mo daw yung rise in former VP Leni's fame by the people actually giving the donations themselves in front of cameras. Kasi, for example, pwede mo, ikaw, malaking tao ka, tatakbo ka sa election, pwede mong ipabigay na lang, i-course through somebody. But the mere fact na you want to pay a courtesy call, if you could call it that, means that you realize yung importance ng tao sa optics, ha?
Political optics, kumbaga.
Oo,
Political
I don't doubt
landscape.
naman yung willingness to help. Yun lang nga is ikaw mismo nagdala.
Pero ayun, sige, abangan natin yung marami pang mga ginagawa tungkol nga sa pagtulong dito sa mga nasalanta ng bagyo.